Hello you guys, today I'm getting my third tattoo. Is it dirty? This tattoo is super special to me because if you guys follow me on TikTok or you just see my dog's video, it went viral, and by viral I mean like 21 million views viral. It was insane. I'm going to be getting a tattoo of my little dog Zoey right here on my arm. I'm super excited. I'm going to my friend REYA. She's at Chosen Ink Studios in downtown Toronto. So anyways, we have to get ready. Let's go.
Still need to recover from another lover. Would you be here for me? Never met your parents, not even your mother, but let's see where this leads.
This is the completed makeup look. I got like this little liquid glitter eyeliner from like a brand called like Ferrier or something like that, and it's so cute and subtle. Just some red and brown eyeshadow, matte lips, highlighter, super cute. This is the outfit of the day. It's like a little cropped button up. This is from Zara, thrifted, champion pants, or champion and thrifted. I'm on the train now. I'm with Prarthana. You can, there she is. We're taking the train all the way into Toronto, and then we're getting another one to Kensington, and then, well, you guys will see, but it's happening. We're taking the elevator. We finally are floor, so now we are going to go find the bus. Thank you. And it's snowing. Oh, that's a lot of snow. We're on the 505 now. We're getting there.
Like she's the one that's moving on. She said I love you, and I just think I'm too far gone. It's like I know you, and I've been in this room too long. And I'ma show you, like I've been waiting all along. Yeah, so what they gon' say? Caught up walking over your place. On the move, let's go. Waist on the high hips and the heads turn slow. Yeah, so why you tripping? Like what you say?
We have arrived.
Sun's down in a minute, I know.
These are the designs. So cute.
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게
Alright, this was the reference photo REYA was drawing for me, and I wanted to put her in a little stamp. I saw Jasmine Lee's video of a stamp and I was like, I want that. How do we feel? Good. My legs are warm. I'm wearing tights underneath.
내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun.
Next up, we then applied the, I think it's called a stencil, I think. We applied the stencil on my forearm. We did this about like 3 or 4 times just to make sure the placement was perfect, and I really appreciated that, and I'm so happy with it. But yeah, enjoy this part.
말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 마 나는 널 보며 지금 말해
And this is how the stencil turned out. This is the placement that I wanted, just on the forearm, and I'm so happy with it. And then here's like the setup and everything. And here's Prarthana. Credits to Prarthana for filming so much of this. I appreciate you. We then started the tattooing process. Well, not we, REYA started it, and not gonna lie, it was actually like, okay, it hurt, but it wasn't the worst pain ever. Like, it hurt way less than my last 2 tattoos. I make these really cool videos. Yeah, they're so sick. I don't, what would you call it? Like, yeah, I can just...
목소리만 잘 알아, baby.
This was my first time ever getting shading done on a tattoo. My other 2 tattoos are just outlines, so the first time getting shading was actually not that bad. Like, it just feels like grazing on your skin with a knife. I mean, not gonna lie, that sounds bad when you say it, but it honestly was way less painful than outlines.
Maybe you got me
I think my favorite part about this piece are the eyes. I loved watching REYA when she was doing it. I just found it so, like, it's so detailed and it's so tiny, and I'm really excited to see how this heals. But just like watching the needle and stuff, I just find it so interesting.
It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you. Oh, right, this feels good. You and I think we got.
If you are wondering about the dates, it was supposed to like mimic a stamp, and I know stamps have numbers on the corners, but I decided to do the year we got her and the year she sadly passed away, 09 and 22. I thought that was super cute. This is what it looks like so far. We're adding like white dots on it. So midway through, REYA came up with a really cool idea to add some white in it just for like the accents and highlights, and I thought that was really cute. And then after I saw her do it like right now, I was like, oh my god, this actually captures like the eyes so well. And then she did a bit on the nose and a bit on the tongue, and every time I just look at it, I'm like, wow, that white brings out so much like detail and makes it look so much more realistic. And I'm just so surprised how much like the tiniest dots of white can do.
It's okay if I'm not okay. Going off the deep end. What can I say? I've been feeling low. I've been feeling low.
And this is how the final piece turned out. I'm in love with it. It is a bit swollen and red, but it's fine. I'm also slightly irritated, but I am so happy with it. And stay till the end for aftercare and everything else. I am home now. I look so terrible. I've just been all over Toronto and I'm like, it's so warm and sweaty, but this is what it looks like. I'm super happy with it. REYA did amazing, and now we just need to take this off, wash it down, and then I'm gonna shower because Toronto is disgusting. And this is how it looked like after its first wash. It is now the next day, and I just want to show you guys a little update. So I already think the tattoo is like slowly already starting to scab over just at the top here. It's kind of already getting bumpy, but so far no itching or anything yet. It is a bit painful, but nothing too bad, nothing I can't handle. I had to start wearing like softer clothing. Like this is like a very nice soft material, because anything that was like too rough or abrasive against it kind of hurts. So I've been wearing comfy clothing. I am excited for it to heal, but unfortunately that will not be in this video because I want to get this up ASAP. So just check out my future videos and see how it heals along the way. Once again, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching, and a huge thank you to REYA for doing my tattoo at Chosen Ink. I absolutely love her. She's so sweet and she did such a good job. I love Zoey. Thank you guys for watching and coming along with me on this little journey. I just thought it'd be super fun to document, and you know, it's always fun watching other people get tattooed. Anyways, once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.